Welcome to day 2 of our exploration of Rome. We're going to go to Piazza Spagnola, which is Spanish staircase. So let's check it out. I hear it's beautiful. I saw it from afar yesterday. Today we're actually going to go up the stairs instead of just seeing it from afar. I hope you enjoy it as much as I have been and will. I know I will enjoy it because I just had a perfect day yesterday, day 1 here in Rome, and I suspect today will be equally as satisfying. All right, thank you for tuning in, tapping in, and turning on to Love and Money Secrets TV on YouTube channel. If you want to go quickly to the Love and Money Secrets TV YouTube channel, just type in your browser DameLillianWalker.com. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Oops, you see, you don't have to be perfect to do this on YouTube.
Turn right onto Via Principe Amadeo.
That's just GPS on Google telling me which way I need to go, so let's get going now. Bye.